Okay, this time we're going to take those insurance claims data, and this time we're going to graph them using a Boxplot. Now, Boxplot is a graph, so under the Graph tab, I can go to halfway down the list, says Boxplot. We have one Y, meaning that we're only going to graph up one column of data. And the data are not split into groups in any way, so I'm not going to use this option right here. So we're using a simple Boxplot. Say OK. And the program wants to know what data do we want to graph up. In this case, it's the insurance claim. And I generally just let Minitab do its own thing on this. And here's my graph. Now, in your course notes, I have highlighted some of the important points in a Boxplot, and the important points include the minimum data point. And if I mouse over here, it tells me what? It tells me that my whisker, the whiskers extend from a low point of 16 up to a high point of 56. So this point right here is 16. My Q1, which is the bottom of the box, is 26.25. My median, which is this line somewhere in the box, which is not necessarily halfway in the box, but it'd be nice if it was, is 33.5. My Q3, or my 75th percentile, is 40. That's this top line. And then my upper whisker extends up to a high point of 56. And it tells me there's 40 data points in this data set, and it also tells me, come on, be contrary, come on, where are you? It also tells me that the IQR is 13.75, which means the distance from top of the box here to the bottom of the box down here is 13.75, the difference between 33.5 and 13.75. And from this Boxplot, I can see that these data are, for the most part, fairly symmetrical. Not perfectly, but pretty close. The top and bottom half of the box is roughly the same length, and the whiskers are roughly the same length. So I have more or less a pretty symmetric looking set of data here.